Hey y'all, this is Luca with the DeSoto Public Library. I'm Ms. Janelle Notice's assistant, and we are doing home crafts. Yay! Let's take a look at today's home craft. And today's home craft, we have a galaxy bottle or jar, whatever you want to call it, really. As long as it has galaxy in it, it's all that matters. As you can see, it has like a bunch of different colors. Some of them are different shades. And glitter for like stars and stuff. Yeah, so let's get started on materials. So you're gonna need food coloring. Doesn't really matter what color. It can be any color. It could be your favorite color, your least favorite color, or a color you've never seen before. You need glitter. So I have silver and blue. The other one only had silver in it. Oh, you also need like a clear bottle to put in your cotton. You're gonna need cotton. And you're also gonna need these wooden sticks to help push down the cotton in case your fingers don't fit in the hole. Also to like smush it down. Tub, I think I already said that. Oh yeah, and water. You're gonna need water. Okay, so since we're using such a small bottle, you're gonna wanna get like little small pieces of it and like just shove it in there. And watch it fall, yeah, like that. Oh, don't drop the bottle. I mean, you can just pick it up. Well, you can drop it for now, but later you really don't want to drop it. And just shove it in there. If it doesn't go in, that's what we got these little sticks for, to like drop them in there. Again, don't drop it. Be a lot gentler than what I'm doing. Parents, just learn from my mistakes and help your kids. Just shove it in there. And we're gonna get a little bit more, smaller piece, drop it in there, drop it in there. Okay, so that's a good midway, quarter-way point right here. What you're gonna do is grab it, maybe try to jam it down a little bit. And yeah, it's kind of level. So what you're gonna wanna do next, this is where the water comes in. You're gonna pour your water in the hole, just enough to like, just enough for like the cotton to absorb the water. You might need to push it down again. You might not. Then you grab your food coloring. So let's do purple. And you would just pour 2 to 3 drops. So about this much. That's probably more than 2 to 3 drops, but it's whatever. Just pretend like you didn't see it. Then we're gonna use our blue glitter. Pour the glitter in. Okay, yeah. We got some glitter in, and you know, let's pour some silver in because the blue is having some trouble coming out. Just a little bit, or a lot. Not a lot. A lot's fine. And yeah, so as you can see, this is what it looks like so far. What you're going to do is then just continue the process. Grab some more cotton. Grab it, shove it in there. Push it down. Now at this point, it might start getting stuck to your cotton. The dowels. See, look, there's gonna be a little Kool-Aid color purple. Just stick it in there. As you can see, look, the bottle's starting to turn a different color. It's looking purple. The glitter is helping out a lot. It's definitely a galaxy of stuff. By the way, fun fact, our galaxy is called the Milky Way galaxy. I don't know why. Shove it in there, get it down in there real good. This could take some time, kids. So hopefully you're patient If not, you can always like play music in the background, or you can always just like take a little break and I don't know, use these to play the drums or something. Alright, we're gonna put in just a little bit more, and then we're gonna fill it up again with water. So drop that in. That looks like a good point. So what we're gonna do is add water again, just enough to get wet. That looks good. Then we're gonna put some food coloring again. This time we're gonna use blue. So like just a few drops. It might not come out at first, that's fine. Just there we go. And then some glitter. Let's put some more gold glitter in. Or silver, it's like a gold silver combination. And let's see if we can get the blue to come out this time. We're just gonna take off the entire blue top. Or not. Oh, there it is. I think. Alright, yeah, and once you do that, just grab some more cotton. And just gently put it in there. Don't drop it like that, don't drop it. That's why I say you can drop it, just not now. Parents, if your kids have left, you can still do this and just claim it as yours. And I don't know if you're noticing, but look, you can see the different colors. Yeah, see blue and purple, spin it around. Oh, look, it's different. I'm gonna put a little bit more water because it looks like I didn't put enough last time. There we go. And you know what? This might be a good point for another color. Since we have blue, I'm gonna put orange because blue and orange go good together. Hopefully. Almost done. Just put it in there. There we go. There's the orange. Okay, kids, so it looks like we actually don't have any orange. So I'm just gonna put yellow. Just a little bit of yellow. And where's the glitter? Yeah, glitter. Glitter is actually pretty fun. Just don't try to get it everywhere or else, you know, you'll probably have to clean it up and that's not actually fun. And, oh, you know what? I forgot to put some water before that, but it's okay. We're just gonna put some cotton in there and like shove it down. Hopefully that'll mix. No, I just remembered yellow and blue make green, so we'll probably get the green color next. Hopefully. Add some more water and well, actually no, that's all we can fit. Yeah, and yeah, we're done. This is what you get. Your Galaxy bottle. Oh, and it does need a top. Now, hopefully, you're not gonna want to keep this in. The little pump part. Just need a covering. And yeah, this is your Galaxy bottle. Oh look, there goes the green. And yeah, that's it. Don't actually, do not squirt it on your hands. Don't. That's actually really dirty. And yeah, okay, y'all have a good day.